Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video you're going to be learning how to make this beautiful cone shoulder sleeve. It is very simple, and if this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned until the end of this tutorial. Now for this tutorial you're going to be needing half yard of fabric. That is because we are going to be drafting just one part of the sleeve, but if you are to draft two parts of this sleeve, you're going to be needing 1 yard of fabric. We're going to be folding into 4, and after we fold into 4, from the folded part of this fabric you're going to fold into a triangular form just like this. Now you're going to determine the length of your cone sleeve. I'm going to be making use of 7.5 inches plus half an inch for stitching allowance, so I'll be making use of 8 inches. Now just the way you mark out your flare, you're going to place your tape at the really sharp point of the folded fabric and then mark out 8 inches all around. And once I am done marking this, I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Now you guys, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notification to get notifications like this once I upload a new video. After I cut this out, you are going to have 2 half circles, okay, because we are going to be making use of this fabric for both the actual piece and the lining piece. But then if you want to make use of a different fabric for the lining piece, you're going to have to use another fabric of your choice. After that, you're going to fuse in your paper gum into this, or your peplum stay if you want it to be firmer, okay. Now after ironing your paper gum into this, you're going to cut out the excess, and then from there we are going to join these two fabric together. Now to join this, you're going to place the right sides facing each other, and you're going to go over to your sewing machine and stitch using half an inch all around. Now I've stitched it. Next I'm going to place my notches, okay, so that once I iron this, it's going to lay really flat. So now that I'm done notching, I'm going to go ahead and turn over to the right side. And after I turn over to the right side, go over to your ironing table and make sure you iron this properly well. Then after you iron this, you're going to have to go ahead and fold this into 2 again, and from the down part you're going to have to go in by 1 inch, okay. This is because you want to make this sleeve really pointy. If you join it straight, it's not going to be all that pointy, but if you want, you can do it just like that. So what I did was to go in by 1 inch, and at the upper part I'm going to go in by 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to join. Now after joining it, you can see that we have so many seam allowance, so we are going to go ahead and trim it. And now after trimming it, next you're going to turn this sleeve over to the good side, okay. That part that you just cut out, you can go ahead and use your serger and then secure the rough edges, okay. So now you guys, this is our cone sleeve. I'm going to go over and place this on the mannequin so that you see how this came out. So guys, this is our sleeve. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done at this time, and share this video to get more people to see it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.